Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll share the steps to changing the engine oil of the Himalayan. First step, the tools you need are a 22-inch spanner, 8mm T-spanner, a new oil filter, the part number of which I'll leave in the description below, a pan with a plastic cover on top, engine oil, WD-40, and a piece of old cloth. First step, put the bike on saddle stand, start the engine and run it for 1 or 2 minutes. This will heat up the oil so that it will flow out faster. Place the oil pan below the 22-inch bolt. With the 22-inch spanner, loosen the bolt a bit.
You're recording now?
Yeah.
Place a piece of cardboard in the gap below the bolt and above the bash plate so that the oil won't spill onto the bash plate. Carefully remove the 22-inch bolt and let the oil drain out completely. Carefully take out the copper washer, don't let it fall into the oil. Clean the washer with WD-40. Slightly tilt the bike on a saddle stand to drain whatever is left. This is where I did a terrible mistake. Do not remove the cardboard piece yet. There is still some oil left to drain. Loosen the 8mm bolts with the 8mm T-spanner and remove the cover.
If I get a chuntu and how will we use it?
I am.
Entertainment for you, alle.
You will not let me do what? I also like to twist it and
And other side, I think. But you'll come in the camera.
no. My hands and legs call me.
Oh.
Face me. You want to upload cardboard?
Thank you.
That other one I'll give you. I'll tilt it.
The problem is now.
Tilt.
The phone.
Slightly tilt the motorcycle again to drain whatever's left.
So much is coming.
It's drifting now.
Carefully take out the wire mesh. Inspect it for any major debris and clean it with WD-40.
I'm just telling to the camera. What is actually there in the WD book?
Kerosene and some kind of their secret mixture.
Because we used to put directly kerosene.
Personally, mainly.
Clean the cover and the rubber O-ring. Wiggle the rubber O-ring a little bit for a better sealing.
some people comment too many horse flies in the
video.
uh,
See, you one more house play. Sitting better, tighten better.
I'll clean the gadi today. Chuma?
Not dirty, no?
What is it?
You can wipe it.
No, this tire and that, if you scrub it, will be nice.
Like that.
Wipe and clean the engine parts with a cloth. After cleaning, place the mesh back in its chamber.
I'm bored. Give me some job.
Bolt back the lid. Tighten the bolts back with the right torque. Don't tighten it too much.
Can you skip to the good part?
Bolt back the 22-inch bolt along with the copper washer.
He is not giving me any job.
I'll put all this again in video. All audio will be there.
No, I'll put those aunties voices also.
Where is that pen?
That's it, full I am on it.
Like this one.
Place a cardboard piece in the gap below the oil filter cover and above the exhaust pipe.
Now, the moment it comes with equally.
Loosen the oil filter cover bolts with the 8mm T-spanner.
Why we should do that moment? I mean, same.
Otherwise, the one screw will have a lot of tension, no? So that
Tap on that.
no, that serrations will.
How much of knowledge I have learned?
Yeah. Now slowly, hand itself we can tap.
So laugh at me. So what is the next step? No need to remove that.
We have to. All this cardboard.
Tilt the motorcycle again to drain the leftover oil.
It is leaking from that side.
That's the bash plate.
Bash plate cup.
Yeah, that's better. Keep that, correct. Stripping it. Straighten it. Remove. Maybe you don't know. One. Huh? No, like if you are removing this, just remove how much ever you remove there, and then here we'll don't get this thing. Keep removing it.
Carefully remove the oil filter cover, gasket and the oil filter. Be careful with the screws. The one on the bottom is longer than the other two.
I'll take it from right.
Yeah, correct. Do one thing. Let that all filter set this.
It's low.
Souvenir.
You should show. Old one.
Focus out, yes. I'll tilt a little more. Nothing's left now.
It is dripping from that main thing.
It's okay.
Put it in this aisle. Together we can throw it.
Clean the surface with a cloth.
Sure.
Yes, you have to clean.
Clean the oil filter cover and the gasket with WD-40.
Yeah.
Or we can give it to the petroleum company. They will recycle or something. I don't know how they do that.
You think that is Yashashiniya? Yes. You will listen to you.
Shake the engine oil well and soak the new oil filter with some of the engine oil.
You have to pour oil like this, okay? And you have to soak the filter first. See, started soaking now. See, here.
cloth.
Insert the new oil filter into the engine and bolt on back the oil filter cover by tightening the bolts to the right torque.
And you think you can do things without me.
Yes.
When will you put oil?
Oil here. Set na. See now the oil level indicator.
What is dripping?
Oil. New oil.
Oh.
You want to tighten?
No, it's slipping. What you told you want?
There. Yeah.
Unscrew the oil filler cap on the engine.
Wait, one look.
One good thing about having a group of lifting more weight. Crash card is coming in there.
Yeah. You don't have a funnel, no?
I had when I had that old Gaudi.
Shake the engine oil can well and start pouring it onto the engine to a point where it reaches a little above the upper mark in the oil level indicator window.
Yeah, what you do? Only you put first we'll see it is not leaking.
And directly put it in. Motul. Check, just keep check on this thing, okay? Upper limit, above upper limit when it reaches, you tell me.
The light.
Yeah.
Enough?
Yeah.
What we did, no?
Once you're done, before replacing the oil filler cap, clean it with WD-40. Close the oil filler with oil filler cap and run the engine for about 1 to 2 minutes.
No, don't tight it, don't tight it. Start it, see the levels.
Check the oil level again and top up if needed to a point where it touches the upper level on the oil level indicator window. You can hand over the used engine oil to a nearby mechanic for recycling. Clean the engine surroundings.
Okay, Chitra. Bye. Bye.
Once again, check the oil levels and make sure everything is fine. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.